to beautiful Bukidnon. We are here today on a gorgeous mountain with a grounding and super peaceful ambience. Mountains have always been a source of awe and beauty. And sometimes we don't have the words to capture how much we admire them. Hey everyone, this is Leonie May once again, and welcome back to my Bukid series adventure. Tara, samahan niyo ko! Sa araw na to, hayaan niyo akong dalhin kayo sa kalagitnaan ng kabundukan. We traverse the top 4 highest mountain in the Philippines, known as KD2LM climb, which composed of Kitanglad, Dulang-Dulang, Langkayugan Ridge, and Maagnao. It took us 3 nights and 4 days to complete the climb. Dulang-Dulang is the second highest mountain in the Philippines. It's known as the enchanted, mythical, magical, splendid, or how you want to call it. Just like I said, no words to capture its beauty. It's Mindanao's pride. It's incomparable. This is by far the most daring adventure I had. Di pa rin ako makapaniwala. Nalampasan ko lahat ng level. Isa sa mga the best experience ko with Mother Nature and KD2LM. This video will show you the trail to Mount Dulang-Dulang. Isipin mo na lang naglalakad ka dyan, walang mabigat na bag na bitbit. Kung gusto mo may ka-holding hands, sige, pagbigyan. Tapos, chill walk. And then may biglang lalabas na fairy, sasabihan kang, your wish is my command. O diba, taray? Di nga, enjoy mo lang yung view. This is the view na hindi ka mapapangi. Being here makes me focus on every sense and makes me ground myself on the things that make me happy. I am at the moment. It makes me appreciate life and the small things that come with it. It made me realize how tiny I am compared to the vastness of the mountain or the sky. There is so much to be in awe in this world. Forget what is false and fleeting and see the brilliance of being alive. Appreciation is all you need to make the most of your life. We get this one life, and what we do with it is up to us. Our life has value. If you give up, you will never appreciate life. Just like climbing mountain. No matter how challenging the way up, always remind yourself that you can do it. And the moment you reach summit, you will just smile, telling yourself, thank you for not giving up and for bringing me up here. Our time is short, so every little bit matters.
Guys, it's all worth the hang up. Nag-anak din siya, oh.
Yes, wow.
Guys, take a look at that. It's so wonderful. Amazing tayong creation. Wow! with the clouds, and then there's a mountain right there, fog here, trees are everywhere, and nakaana siya. Perfect is siya.
Naglinog.
Huh?
Naglinog. Hindi. And we're experiencing earthquake
Lord
right now.
God, for real, it's an earthquake.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Lord.
So it's earthquake.
It's effing real. It's really an earthquake. Lord.
I thought it must be the wind, but then we felt gentle, rapid shaking.
Good Lord. I understand nga naadyo yung mga kalamidad. We're just here nga, we're just trying to enjoy your beautiful creation.
It took me some time to recognize it wasn't earthquake, not until my friend told me we were experiencing
It was a
earthquake.
real earthquake, guys. Oh my God.
Yan na-experience nato diri sa taas.
Yeah. Just bring us home safe, Lord God. Maora dyan ang pangayo.
Nag-earthquake imagine nag-earthquake siya. Sa kilid na mo is cliff.
Oh my God. Like, can we just move somewhere there?
I just can't believe it's happening. I don't know what to feel at that moment. It was so sudden that I was in my happiest state of mind, appreciating the beauty of God's creation. All I can think is to trust God. And I didn't even realize I was praying out loud. That was crazy. Would it keep going and get more violent? Or was this the end? We both stand there without moving, unsure of what to expect. I remember thinking, okay, it's going to stop soon. And we're going to be okay. And yes, here I am making this vlog.
Where is the phone?
Yeah, left. Left. I said left.
I'm sorry. Wala na po sa akong pangon. Agay guys, nasakit. Don't spank me.
The mountain is believed that the guardian spirit is watching over, protecting every climber's safety. And that's why we need to do a ritual prior to our climb. We were given a ritual token for protection, and I still have it with me.
Yeah, thank you for protecting us and for keeping us safe.
Salamat kaayo sa pagtanaw ug amping mong tanan. Ug ayaw limot, pag-subscribe. Paalam!